So we're talking about Joshi-Kushi in Japan. What is Joshi-Kushi in Japan? Kushi is a kind of job when teenagers, high school girls in Japan selling themselves to their potential customers because they believe they have making more money on it. Because they are teenagers, their images probably no doubt as an image of a virgin girl still fresh. Joshi-Kushi in Japan is quite different compared to some Asian countries in terms of streetwalkers. Because a country like Japan right now, they are not conscious regarding that activities. But in our culture, as a Filipino, that is forbidden by God. And that is a big violation that we are committed when we are a Christian. And even we're not a Christian, let us keep in our mind that a woman image was designed with modesty, self-consciousness, decency, and that are the behaviors of a woman. Not to be rude or offensive. Because in that way, you are insulting yourself as a woman. So, as a woman, we should preserve and respect the dignity to maintain the cleanliness and the value of a woman. Because they are the most precious things that a man needs. Am I right?